I'm going to show you how to sign up for Summer Reading Club online. First, go to our website, dcls.org/src. You're going to scroll down and click on Create a Free Summer Reading Club account. Register yourself, and then fill in your first name, your last name, choose the username, enter your email address so we can contact you if we would need to let you know you won a prize. Enter your phone number for the same reason, your zip code, and then choose a password. It has to be at least 6 characters long. Choose your home library, so whichever library you go to the most often, how old you are from the drop-down, what grade you'll be in, which if you're an adult, choose adult, and what school you'll go to in the fall. So I'm an adult, I'm picking NA. Click Next, and you're registered for Summer Reading Club. You can choose to add another adult or another child here. There you go. You are registered for Summer Reading Club, and you can start logging your time starting on June 1st.